you know.
Go wisely and slowly.
Those who rush stumble and fall.
Esteemed principal, sir.
Amiable Dosi sir.
Respected teachers.
And all my dear school friends.
A very
Chilly and cheerful morning to one and all present over here.
I am Rupali Chauhan,
And I Prapti Patidar.
the host of today's assembly.
Are you all aware about the topic?
No problem, we'll let you know.
It's not in the stars to hold our destiny.
But in ourselves.
The meaning is, it's not anyone else to control what happens in another person's life.
It's only you who controls everything. There is nothing determined.
So, here we go.
There are two friends talking.
Nikita and Mahi.
Nikita, do you know about Saurabh Joshi?
Yes, I know. How lucky he is.
No, he is not lucky. He has done hard work to this success.
Oh, I also want to get motivated like him.
So for a motivational thought,
We would like to call Harshit and Kshitij.
Today's thought is the strongest factor for success is self-esteem. Believing you can do it, believing you deserve it, believing you will get it.
The meaning of the thought is we should get success only if we believe that we can do it, if we deserve it, and we will get it. Along with this, we need self-esteem also.
thank you for a motivational thought.
Rupali, do you know what Nikita and Purnima were talking?
No, would you please tell me?
Let's go few minutes back.
Purnima, do you know UK07 rider bought a new car? Yes, I know. But nowadays I'm not connected with TV, newspaper or phone. Why? Because my exams were going on. Okay, no problem. My friends will let you know about current affairs.
So for news,
I would like to call Juhi and Raj.
Are Germany arrested 25 suspects who were planning to overthrow the government. Tina Boyurit, Peru's first female president, needless to leave nation's bound.
Sports news, injured Rohit Sharma likely to miss the third ODI against Bangladesh.
Some school news. Our school is going to take NCC cadets of our school on a camp to Indore on 12th of December till 19th of December. Thank you.
Thank you for updating us with current affairs.
Prapti, let me show you how the students talk about their teachers.
Yes, it would be fun.
Hey, have you ever heard how fluently our teachers speak English? Yes, how good orator they are. When we will be like them? Don't worry, let's go to Kawatara Assembly and learn mannerism.
So for mannerism,
We would like to call Kamakshi and her team.
Hello students, today I am here to clear your doubts.
Teacher, I have doubts.
Ma'am, I am not present today. What is the homework yesterday? It is not the correct sentence, beta. Our audience will help in framing our sentences. So repeat after me. Ma'am, I was absent yesterday. So would you please tell me yesterday's homework? Ma'am, I go to NCC drill practice. It is not the correct sentence, right? Our audience will help in framing the sentences. So anyone from audience, would you like to correct the sentence? Okay, no problem. Whenever we ask for permission, we use could, would or may. So repeat after me. Ma'am, may I go for NCC drill practice? Thank you.
thanks, I have corrected my mistakes.
Yes, me too.
Splendid comparisons.
Now let us see what will happen next.
Today our teacher will teach us how our India got freedom from British fighters.
Oh yes, it will be very interesting. I am
Yeah.
eagerly waiting for the class.
Yes, let's go.
For a Skid, we would like to call our teammates over the India to rule India. And they landed in India for the purpose of trade when India was rich.
Britishers had more economic power, better weapons, and a certain European confidence which allowed them to slowly occupy India. It was time of British rule.
My foot, you all are our slaves. Work for us, toil for us. Pay us the taxes, we will let you live.
Oh, who will save us from these clutches?
No one will do. We should only fight.
I want my country to be independent. Independence is our birthright. Inqilab! Inqilab! Inqilab!
Entertain these, let us. Bhagat Singh was hanged. The people of India were so distressed and furious on Britishers.
The Bharat took a deep breath with the arrival of Mahatma. He was a lean soul with a sturdy heart at the back. He gave inspirational words and filled the heart of many Indians, which brought India on a single path.
Freedom is our life. Let us not fight. We shall get freedom by using weapons like peace and non-violence. British are ruling India just because of the help and the cooperation from great Indians.
Yes, we will follow you. We came to know that no one will help us.
Yes, we should only struggle for our freedom.
Oh no, all Indians are on one word.
Let's go. Let's give them their freedom.
We want. We want. We want.
Though we remember very less name of freedom fighters, but still it is not that it was a struggle of one. It is a work of a united work of all the Indians who made it possible to India be a liberate.
It proves that the stars can't hold our destiny. It can ask us.
So here we end our assembly presentation. Thank you for being.
Thank you.